Alright guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. I was almost late to catch him, but I calmed down here. Sorry about being dark, guys. Let's go along with just hear the train. I know this is a very sketchy spot. It's hard to see the train from right here. I know I can barely walk to where I'm going. Woo! The engine's right down there. Sorry about being dark, guys. Small rock connection is sound. Hey guys, there they go, guys. I'm about to head home, guys. I caught them right down here, guys. They gave me a little train honk, guys. This is a very skeptical spot right here. Yeah, I don't like it right here. But this is the only spot where I can film the train, guys. They're on their way to Nashdown. Come in a different area, guys. You can see it right there. If you leave me comments, I can't see the train. Just hear the sound because I'm right there filming it. So sorry about being pitch dark, guys. But please, guys, please go along with it. Yeah, guys, I'm about to head home, guys. Man, that dog sat there falling for a couple of miles. Yeah, it's so dark here, guys. I can't see my hand. Alright, guys, this is me right here in the light, guys. Alright, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, be careful where you cross tracks, guys. Watch before you leave, guys. If you hear a train horn blowing right down here at this cross the buck symbol right here, guys, at night, please yield, guys, because the train cannot stop, but you can, guys. So y'all be careful on that. Be careful there today. I'll be careful too, guys. Hey guys, I'm about to go home, guys. It's pretty dark out here. It's pretty creepy out here, but I'm used to it. But what's creepy is when you can't see a dog and it can bite your legs. So yeah, guys, I was hauling ass on this bike, seriously, to catch up to these guys. I know. All right, guys. Whew. I'll catch you guys later. Ooh, it's sweaty. I'm sweaty, guys. But it's a very, very scary spot here, guys. That was a scary, eerie sound when the train did that, guys. That's the reason why I was pushing back a little bit. I barely couldn't see where I was walking. So, guys, I think I'd rather film when there's light. So, guys, y'all be careful in that. Be careful during the day, guys. Please stop, look and listen, guys. Please watch for trains. If you hear a train horn, please stop. Do not proceed through the crossing or anything like that, guys. Y'all be safe. Don't be sorry. Don't forget to leave me a link, comments, and press the little bell below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel. All there is just videos right now, guys. So, guys, you can watch all my videos from where I first started all the way down to this video right now, guys. I'm about to release the one I did last night. So, guys, it's Tuesday. It's it's 12 o'clock, guys. I'm going home, guys. I need to go to bed, guys. So, y'all have a very good day. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Marshalling out.